For the last couple of episodes, we have been here, an isolated group of islands towards the Colombian border. A lush paradise where we fished, we barbecued, we crabbed, and barbecued some more. But we are low on water, veggies, and the lovely Katrina has to go back, so we are pissing off ski just like the great Polish poet. To get water, we need to sail to here, which is going to be a bit of a bitch if you look at it. Maybe we ought to sail over here and just dinghy up and get the water. That's why they call me the captain, people. Boat owner. Good morning, people. Sun is probably risen just behind the clouds. We had one casualty of war last night. The Bimini, bit strong, but we're going to leave early. What I've noticed the last couple of days is wind dies off around 11, 12, and you have really nice afternoons. Well, we want to get the wind. We've got 20 miles to cover. But look at these guys here. They must have been up 2-3 hours ago. They're rowing. Town is 4 miles away. So they've been up at the crack of sparrow's fart. Got to get the crew up. Steffi's already up, but the possum half princess Katrina from Lithuania might need a little coaxing. Alright, let's get everything away. Good morning. Good morning. Mind you, it's a pretty nice morning. Look at that. That's beautiful. Oh, camera's out. What do you reckon, Wilson? Yeah, damn straight. Just removing the bridle. Ready? You got that?
Yeah.
Okay, start bringing in.
There.
What?
Anchor's too much there.
Hey, I know, but just bring it in, bring it in. All right, let's do it. Is it on that hook still? Okay, good. That'll do it. That'll do it. Excellent. Okay, which reef are you going? That's right, correct? That's as best you're gonna get. All right, lock it off. Figure eights. All right, great, thank you. We forgot to bolt the anchor, so we're a bit off the wind, so it's not so important. But if we were driving into it, that would be a big issue. There is something out there. There's some tiny, tiny boat. So you see it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty clear it's a boat, but what would you be doing out there? Maybe it's a drop off, people, and they're not dropping it off yet. For the first time. The girls in little Betty boat. Batteries ran out of juice, so just got to wait for the sun to hit the solar. There you go, sun shower.
Yay!
Yay! It's going to last all of 30 seconds. It looks cool. And now it stops. Destination in the mist. All right, that's it. Is someone ready to dump the main? I'll tell you when to drop the main, okay? Okay, drop the main. And anchor 30. Who's happy? Remember girls, the rules are always smile and pretend I'm really cool, okay?
You're so cool.
That's the spirit. I think that's the funniest thing Steffi said the whole time. And it was one word, people. One word wonder. I've only heard about 90 words out of Steffi in the whole trip, I reckon. No?
Yeah, a little more.
Maybe 93.
Maybe
I wasn't counting, but you know.
she speaks with her actions.
Possibly. Well, I don't have a black eye yet, but you know, the tension's brewing. We've been on the boat for a while now. Might be a confrontation.
Sooner or later.
Sooner or later. Even with good friends, when you're on a boat, it's about 3 weeks. Things can go. Bah! I try to be in the water spear fishing at these times. Sorry, I'm driving with my left hand, people. It's all backwards. That didn't go as planned. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lions need tonight. Yeah, in the jungle. Actually, I'm driving now to facilitate the girls to take pictures of the wildlife, but me yelling like a seagull is probably not conducive to the most stealthy approach of the stealth-mobile, and also me having Tourette outbursts of emphasizing bits of my sentence. But besides that, quality humour is wasted on this crew. Austrian, no sense of humour at all. Lithuanian, she's got a Lithuanian sense of humour. Different people, different sense of humour.
Isn't this cultural exchange so fun?
Yes, it is. You get to learn what other people laugh at. What's the funniest thing you've ever seen, Katrina? The funniest thing, besides my hair in the morning.
Look.
Oh Jesus, oh look. Alright, well done.
Reacted better this
yeah.
time.
Well, you can't think of the funniest thing?
I'm looking at it right now.
Oh, that's a bit harsh, people. That was bird speak for, "You're ruining my serenity." I was hiding and you found me again. What do you reckon he said then? I think we might have to bleep that, people, but I think she's pretty well on the money. Shit, I didn't want to go too close.
Oh, you're touching it. You're going on top of it. I've never seen a baby croc. That was nice. Log, Peter, log!
Tree.
I want a little bit damaged.
Yeah. It's like everything on my boat. Everything's partially damaged. Mostly the captain though. Yeah, shove it where you can. This is great. You could hear the rain coming about 2 minutes before it got here. All the noise hitting the leaves or the river. It's great. I love nature! This is the adventure tour.
Down by the sea, at the edge of the water,
Well, we got the water tanks partially filled and then we were off. But this time we were off just like the great Russian poet Fakhanov. Coming up next episode, Katrina gives me some words of wisdom from the female perspective. Here's a sneak preview.
What not to say to future crew?
What not to say?
Yes.
I thought all the stuff I say is beautiful.
Number 1, don't call them big.
Don't call them big.
Yes, you can call them strong or sporty.
But she's big.
I'm not big.
Oh, okay. But you got big arms. You got bigger arms than me.
Peter, shush. Number 2, don't interrupt.
Oh,
Okay,
well,
number
that's gonna
3.
be a hard one.
Number 3.
Hey, look!
Thanks, Peter.
I'm sorry!
Don't call crewmates.
I hope everyone's paying attention. You know, 96% of my audience are males. Maybe this is why we've gone wrong for so many years, so many centuries.
Don't compare crewmate to dog.
To a dog?
Yes.
I said it was a nice dog.
Don't tell crewmate that she has fat ankles.
Even I know that was bad. Don't know how that slipped in. Yes, the fun keeps on going with this and this. Alright, we'll call it a draw. And this. Oh, bugger. I don't know what the hell that is. All coming up next episode. All on sailing into freedom.